how to set up Directv Stream on Smart TV. So to be able to do that, what you need to do is once you have your Gemini power supply, HDMI cable, and remote out of the box, plug one end of the HDMI cable into your device and the other end into your TV. Want a wired internet connection, use an Ethernet cable to connect your device to your gateway. Otherwise, choose your Wi-Fi network later. Insert the power cord into the back of the device and then plug it into a wall outlet. A red light blinks on the front of the device. Turn on your TV and change the input to the correct one using the input or source buttons on your TV remote. Remove the battery tag from your Directv remote. Follow the on-screen prompts. You'd be asked to pair your Directv remote by pointing it at your device and pressing the fast forward and rewind buttons for 2 to 3 seconds at the same time. When paired, a message displays that your remote is ready to use. Then choose a wired connection, select your Wi-Fi network name from the list of options, then enter your password using the remote. Enter your user ID and password and select sign in. Review and accept the terms and conditions. Select or enter the room location where you use your Directv device. Set this as your in-home network. Enter your Google ID and password if you have one. And that is how to set up Directv Stream on Smart TV.